Unify help support Sting, book or don't book. How much millions dem man dem ek? First thing, from you dominate Sting, January to the rest of the year you a book out a fair and all bout. How much money dem mek office Sting? So you a tell me SEH Sting da ya at its lowest and una couldn't GI Sting is strength. Foota declared. Nevertheless, the selector said that the fact that Sting was still held, in spite of the lack of support from the veterans, was a great triumph for Supreme Promotions.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great, and one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And click on another video, make sure, and check out the membership section. Now, me I talk about Sting 2022 and where Foota hype come out and say. And straight out of the gate, me I tell you, me I agree with Foota hype. Now, me feel like for years, the reggae artists them a sell out blood clot reggae. Them turn it in a murder music. Them do all sort of thing with it. Them water it down. Them turn it in a trap. All sort of thing, dog. Most of them reggae artists, they are big time sellout. And it is a shame and disgrace because of Sting. But most of them artists, all of them, if it wasn't for Sting, Sting is the show that put them on the map. And the man them, Abandon, Leng, and Heavy D, a big idiot thing that straight up. Yo, B, them artists here, enough of them I like them, you know. I'm a youth, I love music. You understand? More time when you hear all countryman DJ and them think they are enough tune countryman, right? You understand? And them artists here, them turn me off big time from the music thing. A long time, them a sell out the reggae thing. And now, because a youth like Shaggy and Sean Paul were kinda, and Bob Marley, them make the reggae bust out certain ways. So now, them feel like the whole of them a superstar and them turn them back upon Jamaica. Not one of them even talk about the gang and the violence thing that's going on in Jamaica, but they would go to other countries and support gang in them places. I want to know where them reggae artists they live. From Cableton go right back to the whole of them, yo. What is going on? Yo, them a big time blood clot sell out the whole of them. Me no care. Yo, a long time me feel like this. And me I be honest with you know. Foota hype was a youth me never really listen to. But lately me start listening to Foota. And a lot of the stuff that man talk about makes sense. Why they didn't come and stand up behind Sting. Them know say yo, Sting was on a rebuilding stage. I try rebuild and bring back the thing. A long time Leng, ex-policeman, I deal with it. I put enough of them in help. You understand? And you want to tell me say, them turn them back on Sting. Now, me have to call a spade a spade. Heavy D and Leng, them coulda organize in terms of logistics better with security and other things. Now, they did brand the show as a gladiator show where they were rebranding it as Gladiator School. And there's nothing wrong with that because remember now, Sting is the show that created Clash, and Versus took it over and making millions and billions off it. How they did that, I don't know. So that's what Sting is. Sting is the original Versus. So promoting it as a gladiator thing, it's okay, but them should have just put the right logistics and infrastructure in terms of security, because them know how unruly the reggae people them can get. Now, in terms of Amari and Queenie, it's drama, and that's what it is, and it's an act. Hey, it works. People watch it, people talk about it, it went viral. What Lang them need for do an heavy D is take that and turn it into a positive. If I was like Lang them right now, would I just drop a reality show? Turn Sting into a reality show, put it on YouTube, document it right back to the next thing next year. And if I was like Lang them, all I would use is pure new artists that's coming up. I wouldn't even deal back with them all a reggae artists them, cause the man them a pussy, them turn the music in a murder music. And them why the young artists them is the way they are. And these MF are not giving back anything to reggae and dancehall music. Them just milk it and them sell it out. Them deal with DJ Khaled. Them do music with homosexuals. Them yam pussy, whatever, yo. The whole of them should have put in a 18-wheeler. Them veteran artists there and dump in the blood-clad Caribbean Sea. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, I want you to click on this next video. The girl, Amari, who cut her baby throat, and she's still out in the public. Me not understand how she is not in prison. Even after the judge order the tramp to turn over her phone. So I want to click on that video. Now, like me say, me agree with Foota. The rest of artists them, the veteran them, should have put them in a 18-wheeler and dump them in the Caribbean Sea. And if I was laying them, I wouldn't invite none of them artists they back on Sting. I would just work with the new artists them, Valiant, you have the youth them a come up, Dunce Check, whoever, and work with them youth, the dogs. You have Silk Boss, you have all sort of new artists a come and work with them and make the old artists them go suck them mother, yo. Remember, click on the next video. The tramp who kill our son in a mobby and said them take with the car, I'm out.